Today's video is sponsored by Unique. iPhones are getting slimmer by the year and some may not want to slap a thick case on to spoil the look. Meet Unique Life Pro Extreme, a slim hybrid case that gives you the ultimate drop protection, plus you can show off the beauty of your phone. The Life Pro Extreme fuses a rigid protective bag and reinforced corner armor to properly defend your phone from drops up to 6 feet. And with all the viruses around today, this case also features Unique's micro repel technology that uses nano silver ions to eliminate up to 99.9% of surface pathogens. Unique provides a wide variety of quality cases for all your Apple devices, and if you're interested in getting this case, Unique is also giving you a 15% discount code when you check out. And thank you Unique for sponsoring this video. If you want an earbuds company to innovate in terms of building unique, beautiful earbuds that challenges the conventional design of traditional TWS earbuds, then Edifier and their Hecate line of earbuds is your best bet. Today we're taking a look at Edifier's latest Hecate Gaming earbuds, and this time they've made it in the form of an AirPods alternative. So will they be any good? Welcome to a review of the Edifier Hecate GM5. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Edifier Hecate GM5. So today's earbuds are graciously sent over to me by Edifier Malaysia, and although these were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. These earbuds retail for about 259 Malaysian ringgit, and that's about 65 US. It's typical to most of Edifier's Hecate range of earbuds, so if you're interested in buying these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So the box that the GM5 comes in is also really cool and honestly out of this world, with a red cover and some font saying Hecate GM5 made for gaming. The entire packaging is just next level. The case of the earbuds is made of this transparent polycarbonate type material, seems really thick and sturdy, and at the front you get the nice badge saying Edifier Hecate, and below that you also get the Hecate branding there. And because this case is made of this transparent plastic and it scratches quite easily in my opinion, so Edifier also throws in a free silicone case, which is really nice, and inside here it actually say life is like a box of chocolates. But the main purpose of the case is so that it protects the case and it doesn't really allow you to open it when it's inside the silicone case. So on top here you also get a loop to hook it onto your bag and to bring it around everywhere. So flipping the case to the bottom, you get a nice USB Type-C charging port, and once you plug the earbuds in, the LED on the side of the earbuds transform into a battery LED indicator that tells you the amount of charge you have inside the case. So once you open the lid, the LED also starts to cycle through the different and various edgy gaming colors, and is super suited for gaming earbuds like this. So the lid of the earbuds are also very nice, very firm and solid, and holds in place when you tilt them around. So what's unique about this case is that you'll be getting another case inside of this outside shell, and this is basically made out of two different parts. And inside of the case you get a simple AirPods style earbuds, and it's a first from Edifier to make an AirPods style gaming earbuds. So the earbuds have a nice gunmetal grey color all around, and on the stem itself you get a gloss black panel with the GM logo at the bottom, and flipping them around you'll be getting a usual AirPods style ear tips, and that basically makes up the entire earbuds. Ultimately, the GM5 will give you a fairly impressive 8 hours of continuous playback time, and the charging case gives you a total of 32 hours of battery life. The case and the earbuds takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. The GM5 is very nicely spec'd with all the bells and whistles of modern earbuds. It comes with a Qualcomm QCC3046 Bluetooth 5.2, which gives you support for aptX Adaptive, aptX, AAC and SBC audio codec. So you'll be getting most of the major codecs for your music and gaming enjoyment. The GM5 also gets an IPX5 water resistant rating, which means that you'll be getting most of the protection you need from working out, sweating and getting caught under the rain. Shouldn't be much of a problem for these earbuds. A unique thing on these earbuds, considering that this is AirPods style earbuds, is the inclusion of ambient mode. The way the ambient mode works on the GM5 is by lowering the media volume so you can hear your surroundings. So considering that gamers would mostly blast their earbuds, so this is a very handy feature. The earbuds also comes with a super seamless mono and stereo mode, so you can pick up either side and it will work flawlessly, and putting either side back into the case will not pause the music on the other side, so very impressive stuff there. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, but not at the same time. So when it comes to the sound quality, there are two total EQ settings on these earbuds, similar to most Hecate Gaming series of earbuds. The first one is music mode and the other one is gaming mode. When in music mode, mids and highs are toned down a little bit, I think mostly to give you the illusion that there is more bass, but in the case of the GM5, bass is very flat and not as dynamic as some AirPods Alternative. When you go into gaming mode, it comes alive a little bit and brings out more of the mids and highs, so cymbals and other bright instruments shine when in gaming mode. When in gaming mode, you immediately feel the earbuds open up and the soundstage becomes very wide, giving you a very good spatial awareness, especially when gaming. This is a fantastic feature to know where bullets are actually coming from. Call quality on these earbuds is also very good, with generally good call quality across all environments. So since this runs Qualcomm CVC technology, you can hear that background noises are not suppressed all that much, but at least your voice still comes through nice and clearly. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Edifier Hecate GM5 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency on these earbuds is fantastic and gives you amazing latency performance in any mode. Even in music mode, games literally have almost no latency, and when you pop it into gaming mode, it literally has no more latency. Needless to say, watching videos on YouTube or Netflix is also really enjoyable. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. The GM5 is an improvement to many other Edifier earbuds and gives you many control with the exception of volume controls. But unfortunately, it doesn't come with an assistant feature for you to control your volume, so that's a bummer. So to play or pause media or pick up phone calls, simply double tap on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media, so like so. And to skip tracks forward, tap and hold the right earbuds to skip tracks forward, and to skip backwards, press and hold the left earbuds to skip it backwards. To enter and exit ambient mode, tap 3 times on the left earbuds and you hear a prompt and you go into ambient mode. And to toggle between gaming mode and music mode, tap 3 times on the right earbuds and you toggle between the different modes. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Edifier GM5. So overall, if you need an earbuds with exceptional gaming latency performance without worrying so much about the sound quality and heavy bass, then this is the earbuds for you. If you want a little bit better sound signature, then check out my review on the Hecate GM4 Mini 1. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.